Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to set up text shortcuts. So what do I mean by that? Let me go and open up Pages. A text shortcut is this. Here's one that I use a lot. I use this one. So I've got a text shortcut for BTC. So if I type in BTC, it automatically comes up with the word Bitcoin, which I use a lot. So that's what a text shortcut is. How do you set up text shortcuts? This is how you do it. You can follow me exactly if you want. I'll try and go slowly. So let's just do a space, a couple of paragraphs there, and let's get on with it. All you do is click on the Apple logo. Click on System Preferences or System Settings, depending on which one you have. It's just a word and doesn't matter. Just click it. When you get to System Preferences or System Settings on your machine, you simply go to the icon that says Keyboard. In Keyboard, you then click on the tab at the top that says Text. Now, as you can see here, I've got quite a few of my own set up. I'm going to add one in. I added this one in earlier. I'm just going to remove this one and re-add it. So now I'm going to add another one in. I'm just going to put JJ. And here I'm going to type Joe and Jane blogs. That's it. And now I hit the return button. That's all you have to do. Now, if I go back to my my text editor, which in this case is Pages, and I just type in JJ, look at that. It automatically comes up with Joe and Jane blogs. Now, to not accept it, all I have to do is click on the X. But I want to accept it, so all I have to do now is press space. So I might be typing and typing away a letter like crazy, whatever, and I might put best JJ, job done. And I didn't have to type Joe and Jane blogs. So that's how you do a keyboard shortcut or a keyboard text shortcut on your Mac computer. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please would you mind giving me a thumbs up, and would you mind giving me a thumbs up anyway? I'm trying to get my channel going and your help would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications, and that way you'll get to know when I post my next video, which is at the moment running at about every other day. Thanks very much, and I look forward to chatting with you again in the next video. Bye for now.